Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to copy text from images on your Android phone. First, open the Google Photos app on your Android phone. Next, select the photo that contains the text you want to copy. Once the image is open, tap the Google Lens icon at the bottom of the screen. Google Lens will scan the image and recognize the text automatically. Then, tap the text option to view the words detected in the image. Tap Select All if you want to copy all the text, or select only the specific words or sentences you need. After selecting the text, tap Copy Text. Now, open an app such as Notes, Messages, or Google Docs, tap the text field, and select Paste to insert the copied text. You can also use Google Lens to copy text from signs, documents, screenshots, books, receipts, or other clear images. If the text isn't recognized correctly, try using a clearer photo with better lighting. Make sure the image isn't too blurry and that the text is easy to read. You can also use Google Lens directly from the Google app by tapping the lens icon and selecting a saved image from your gallery. That's all! You've successfully learned how to copy text from images on your Android phone. Happy watching! Don't forget to subscribe for more.